In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to globally mute users on Discord. We'll set up a dedicated role that removes the ability to speak in voice channels, then make sure that role is enforced inside your channels. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable way to keep things quiet when you need to. Start by opening Discord either on the desktop app or in your browser. Once you're in, select the server where you want this to apply. You'll find your servers listed on the left sidebar. Click the one you manage. Open the server menu and choose server settings. In the settings sidebar, go to roles. Here, click create role. Give the role a clear name that you'll recognize at a glance and optionally pick a distinct color so it stands out in your member list. This makes it easy to find later when you need to apply it quickly. Next, switch to the Permissions tab for this role. Scroll to Voice Channel Permissions. Find the Speak permission and turn it off. This removes the ability for anyone with this role to transmit audio in voice channels. Think of it like a global rule attached to the role. If a member has it, they won't be able to speak anywhere the role applies. Click Save Changes to lock that in. Now go back to your server view and open your voice channels list. Choose a voice channel you want to control and open its settings by clicking Edit Channel. Inside the channel settings, go to Permissions. Open the Roles/Members section and add the role you just created if it isn't already listed. With that role selected, find the speak permission for this specific channel and set it to the X, which explicitly denies speaking here. This override ensures the channel strictly follows the rule, even if other permissions would normally allow speaking. Save your changes. At this point, your mute role is ready. When you apply this role to a member, they'll be unable to speak in the voice channel you just configured. Repeat the channel permission step for any other voice channels where you want this enforced. The role level speak toggle is the broad rule, and the channel level deny makes it airtight inside each channel. A quick note, this setup doesn't kick people out of voice or block them from listening. It only removes their ability to transmit audio. It's perfect for stages, events, or moments when you need order without removing access. When you're ready to restore speaking, simply remove the role from the user or adjust the channel permission back.